I-align ko lang na maayos na. Yan guys ha. Baba, pinatan nyo. Yan guys yung aking yung lasagna ha. Ang panoorin nyo guys ha. Oo, maraming order to, maraming order. May gumawa ko ngayon 13 na. Bagong design kasi ito. Bagong design. Bagong design kasi yan kaya ano. Yan. Gusto niya kasi yung gilid, may nakakuha na ako. Yung gilid agad ko. Yan. Ngayon, pipicturean ko siya. So now is new. Yes. Okay, side by side becomes in the end for tomato sauce and you like balsamel, you put, no problem. Side by side have bacon set. You see. Now I finish 13 pieces, 13. Yan guys, the new lasagna. You see guys, heavy space. The same heavy space. Yan guys yung akin yung looking lasagna guys ha. Yan na. Ready na siya guys ha. I make 13 pieces of new lasagna. Guys ha. Napakasarap yan. Oh no. Yan yung aking lasagna guys ha. 13 pieces I make now. This is a new design. You see guys. Yan na guys yung lasagna ha. Very easy to make guys ha.